In today's lesson, we will learn how to move, scale, and rotate objects. By clicking on white circle, we can scale without disturbing original shape. We can rotate object as we want. Let's discuss edit mode. By this, we can select a face of object. By this, we can select corner points of object and move it as we want. It is amazing. Now edit the object as you want and make extraordinary shapes and objects. By this, we can select the line of object and move it, etc. By knife tool, we can make different shapes and design on an object and then deal with it separately. Thank you for watching.